With over 50 years of hot melt innovation, Surebonder has modernized the glue gun for a new generation. The Surebonder Heavy Duty 220 and 220 HT are designed to get the job done. It's cheaper than tape, creates tamper-resistant and more professional packaging, and holds longer while staying cleaner. Fight freeze-up with a 220-watt ceramic heater, giving you unstoppable melting power. The Surebonder PRO2 220 has an adjustable temperature setting that ranges from 220 to 400 degrees. The 220 HT is fixed at a standard 380 degrees. Both guns come with a glue stroke adjustment screw, so you use the same amount of glue every time. The guns also feature a quick 2-minute heat-up time, an easy grip long trigger for better leverage, a wide base removable stand so it won't tip over or get in the way. The gun is made out of high-impact resistant plastic, comes with an additional nozzle, and a suite of interchangeable nozzles can be purchased to tackle any job. The gun comes with premium internal features, including a built-in safety fuse, all in a convenient carrying case. Surebonder, stick with the best.